the whole world's against me. It isn't the Henny that bet me, I be in the zone. Gazing at the walls, depressed, ignoring the phone. They take it personal, but only a minor few could understand what a nigga feeling. 41st till I die, motherfuckers. I'm still breathing, you were mud, son, we full bread. You ain't my dog trying to infiltrate the clique, is you? I get with you, handle that on a later note. We overdose, every day the death, we so close. I'm trying to tell you.
Claro, claro, se recoge todo. Recogemos todo. ¿Qué rompieron? Cristales por ahí, ¿no?
Se compran en Mercadona y después se rompen aquí.
Qué desgraciado.
Yo voy a llamar a la policía. No me está también por ahí a todo.
Sí.
Así.
Pues sí, cuando vayamos recogemos todo, que siempre lo hacemos. No hay
Abro
problema.
un contenedor.
Sí, sin problemas.
Además aquí ven gente mayor de someso.
Sí.
En todo eso, dando paseo por aquí. Por
Sí, claro, claro. Pues sin problema, cuando acabemos recogemos.
Cuidado con ese tipo, se acercó por ahí.
¿Eh?
Ese tipo se acercó ahí, que se desnuda sin diante de vos.
¿Cómo?
Ese que se acercó ahora ahí.
Sí.
Ese desnuda sin diante de vos. Que estaba ahora aí con o pantalón grande o vino, estaba no carreiro que baixa para baixa, o pantalón baixado.
¿Qué va?
Sí.
Pues si viene le damos una.
The wildness is bug niggas, thugs in the project, you holiday thugs, ease up. All that illin' and grillin', get your melon lit up. Y'all niggas is butt, you want me? I'm writing QB, what? Where you find me at? Sipping cognac from a cup, with my heat next to my nuts. Never afraid to pull it and bust. Slug rushes to your head like dust. But that wasn't enough, this one was kinda tough, he squeezed back. Better believe he no longer breathe black. Fucking with these queens cats, I got dreams, raising my little queen, and nobody gonna stop that. In fact, black, if you come at me, don't come sloppy. Oh, my baby girl got is a poppy. The gotta do this world of hatred, and I die to see that she make it, and die to let the next man take it. Is you stupid?
Yo, you wanna come test? Son, it's massive stress. Penalties is death, pay your last respects. We harass your rep. If you slept a half step, we adapt to see what we can master next. After sex, past the blessed for after effects. Relax the stress, do math to set mad connect.